Good evening, YouTubers. This is Jason over at KRD. Thought I'd do a little update. This is the duster I'm doing for the Blue Ox Street Machine group build. Like I told everybody over the weekend, I was going to build roll cages. So I've got a roll cage built. I think this is about as far as I'm going to go with it for now. Seats are just kind of laying in there, but I built this cage around having all the full interior, the back seat, the stock seats, the dash, the door panels, everything. Being it is going to be a street car, I wanted it to be like a full factory deal. But it should be still safe for, the story goes, the car would be safe to run 8 seconds in the quarter. We'll probably have some other bars up here once we get the firewall and stuff like that. We'll officially make it a full, like a tube chassis deal. This is the way we do the real cars up here. My real duster's like that, except for I don't have the back seat in the real one, but I think I might alter the cage back there to put the rear seat back in that car. Because we do drive these things. We put them on the street. So I thought I'd give you guys a little update what I did here. This is all fabricated out of the styrene. I ended up having to, I don't know if you can see this, I had to put some little metal tube sleeves, epoxy them into the floor as receivers, especially to take this thing in and out of here to mock up and make the bars, and then make sure that it would clear. I had the body on many times to make sure it clear. I ended up running the A-pillar bars up and forward through the dash to try and tuck the cage up as close as I can and still leave some room in there for the fact that the glass on a model car is going to be on the inside. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. This is the first one I've ever built myself. Like I told everybody before, I kind of just pillaged other kits for my roll cages, and they generally didn't fit per the body that they were put in. So this one here is built around the duster, the A-body Mopar basically. And I still have, I got the bars. I don't know if you can see it there with this lighting, but you can see the little squares are still there for the speakers in the package tray, so I can detail the speakers so the car could still have a radio, which will be kind of cool. Yeah, this here is I just used this stuff here, the evergreen, to make my cages. There's 2 different sizes, just like you would have in a real car. Some of your support bars are a smaller diameter. I've calculated what the diameter is to scale. I was using the BSI super glue on some of it. That stuff is kind of brittle on the styrene sometimes, and especially when you're in and out and mocking this up and all that stuff. So then I ended up getting some of the Plastistruck weld stuff. This stuff works very well. It kind of welds it together pretty well, and it gives it some flexibility. So not saying I'm a pro at it. I'm just saying I tried 2 different glues to hold it together as I was handling it. So I'm sure I'll break a joint yet. I got a few that I got to kind of clean up a little bit, and then I can get it ready for some primer. But I think that's going to do it. I'm just happy that I was able to get it to where all the stock interior is going to go back in the car. And I think from here forward I can just focus on some sanding and start priming and just doing the paint stuff, and start going forward with the assembly as we go. Being that this one here, I have time, I'm going to wire the motor. I'm going to put the spark plug wires on this one, where the 48-hour group build, I did not do that. So the 48-hour group build was great for me. By the modeler put that on. That was a lot of fun. I'd never done that before, and kind of got me out of a little bit of a creative slump as far as it goes with 1/25th scale models, which was really a lot of fun. So rambling on here, ADD, right? Taking it away. But anyhow, we're gonna be looking forward to this now. Now it should start getting fun. Start painting, start detailing, and getting some of this stuff together. So we'll go from there. I see there was some more new videos out there. I've watched them. I really must say I'm enjoying watching some of these live chats. There's some really funny comedic friends on there to be joking around like that, which is really cool to see, that people get along that good and they banter back and forth all in good humor. That's awesome. That's what it's about. That's really cool. I love being on the chat and just kind of chiming in here and there and listening to everybody speak. Really enjoy, right now I really enjoy watching Hobby Barn, aka Terry Senior. His videos are cool. He seems like a really awesome dude. So I'm glad to be a subscriber to his channel, and I'm hoping to, if he has his Thursday live, I want to get on there and watch that too. So, but anyhow, enough rambling. I'm gonna get something to dinner, get some more done on this, I think, tonight, and then get ready to get some more stuff done outside and in the shop this week, so that this weekend I can focus on working on model cars and watching some of the live streams. So hope everybody has a good start of their week, and I'm sure I'll be on here again sometime this week, and we will talk to everybody later. Good night.